I'm trying to get more like I say fuck fame. You cannot be like me, we are not the same. Wildlife animal, you can't tame.
Hey boo, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If this is your first time watching me, my name is Lana. So the reason I'm making this video is because I finally decided to book a photo shoot for just my professional pictures. I have if you don't know, I do hair and makeup, and I've had a logo for the longest, but I just made the logo just because I felt like, you know, everybody was doing it and I feel like I needed it. But now I'm just really not feeling the logo. I kind of want to be, I want my face to be my brand, you know. So I decided to book a professional photo shoot. I'm excited because, one, I've never done a professional photo shoot before, like the real deal. And then second, I'm just happy. I just want to see how, I'm anxious to see how great these pictures are gonna come out. I really want them to be like amazing. So I got 2 days to get my life together. I don't know what I'm wearing. I really don't know what I'm doing with my hair. I just got my nails done. When I tell you it was an emergency, like my nails were like, it was like half nail, half my nail. That's how, you know, much they grew out. I'm probably exaggerating, but it was an emergency. I had to get them done and I love them. I love them so much. So yeah, that's out the way. Nails scratched out. I need to go do my hair. I gotta braid my hair down so I can apply this wig tonight. I know for sure I'm doing my wig. I'm gonna put that on and I'm gonna take y'all with me. We gonna go ahead and, you know, I'm excited, and I know I'm gonna look back on this and just like see how far I came. So I really wanted to make sure like I document this. This kind of just shows growth in, you know, what I've been trying to do and what I'm trying to build. So I'm excited. Come with me braid my hair, because I'm not about to braid my hair by myself. You coming with me. Thinking I'm about to do my goddamn hair by myself. I found a victim. Sierra's gonna braid my hair. How do you feel about it? Say it.
Enthusiastic.
Alright, so we're gonna get this going. We're gonna watch P-Valley in the meantime, so enjoy this music.
Just the music. Stop moving! I'm not a professional.
Good, y'all. It's 4:30 on Thursday. I was so busy yesterday, I really couldn't do anything. So I really didn't get anything done. My hair is still, I got the ball cap on, but I'm about to put on my wig now. And then just do my makeup at school. But this is gonna be a very stressful day. But yeah, I still don't know what I'm gonna wear. So wish me luck. Okay, so I already, as you can tell, I put my hair on and my wig. I'm on my way to school, so I gotta do my makeup at school, and hopefully like I can find somebody who don't have a client and is able to wind my hair, cause I don't know how I'm gonna do it, cause I gotta do my makeup and I gotta do my hair. Even if they're not old Hollywood like curls, oh yes, hit me son, hit me. Even if I don't get like no old Hollywood curls, I still want to do like some like very big wand curls. So hopefully somebody can do it for me. Okay y'all, I made it to school. So I got my girl Dallas. Hey, she doing my Hollywood curls, and I gotta do another wig while she doing my hair. So I'm gonna let y'all watch. So I'm all done up. I'm ready to go to the photo shoot, and I'm running late as hell. I was supposed to be filming everything for y'all, but that shit just, I was first of all, no, let me tell you how I found the outfit. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all, you know, when I get there. But I found the whole outfit. My pants was not coming up. Like, I thought I was gonna have to scrap the whole pants thing and just do like headshots. So my teacher helped me like zip it up in the back. Thank God. Miss Allison is a lifesaver. But yeah, I'm excited. It's my first photo shoot. I am so, and then my girl Dallas, what? I gotta show y'all these curls though. I gotta show y'all these fucking curls. So I'm gonna do a red lip with this outfit. But I don't want to do that until I actually get there. And yeah, at this point, I'm going to be making it right at 3. Ooh, it say 3:01. So hopefully when I get on the E-way, I can just go. But yeah, so I'll talk to y'all. Hopefully he let me film in his studio. So I'm going to just bring the camera. I'm going to bring y'all with me. And we ready. We ready.
We just killed it. Yes. Got some professional headshots. She a little short, so I gotta come down.
You do.
But she just shot one of the best. Him over at Studios.
He
you
did
call me Kevin
job.
if you know me. Shit.
He did so good. Just wait. Just wait.
I be doing my thing. I be trying. That's all.
So I made it back home. I had the craziest headache. After the shoot, I had a crazy headache. Let me tell you how I just smashed this Shark's chicken that I had yesterday. Okay, smashed. I wish I could have showed my whole outfit. I guess I could put it on, right? Yeah, let me put it on. Just put it on so you can see. Okay, so boom, pow. What? Okay, okay. Bro, business like. Man, skin your life. I just got this regular blouse, so I had to open it a little bit so you can see my chain. Oh, and I gotta put, hold on, I gotta put the accessories on. No, gotta have the accessories. I had both of my earrings like this, and I put it on this arm. So, you know, we can. And then with that red lip, oh! But I had a really good time in the photo shoot. I think his name was Kevin. He was so nice. I'm pretty sure his name is Kevin, so. Kevin was really nice, y'all. He's so professional. He made me feel so comfortable, even though I've never done a photo shoot before. So if you're in Chicago, you should definitely hit him up. Yeah, he dope. His place, I wish I would have got his place, was so dope. Like his studio was so dope. He had different rooms that had different backgrounds and stuff. It was dope. Well, I'm definitely probably gonna go there when like me and Isaiah maybe do a photo shoot together. I don't know. But thank you so much for clicking on this video. Thank you for coming on my journey with me, like with my business and everything, and watch it blossom. I already know like eventually I want to be very successful. So just each step that I take, I just appreciate you guys for just tuning in and watching, you know, my growth, and watching yeah, you know, just watching me grow. So I love you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Do you want to say something?
Bye.